Right, 2020, how's it going? We got Dad in the loader right now. He actually just kind of stopped in and was like, hey, do you mind if I plow out the yard? And I said, not a problem. Say hi, bud. All right, so currently what we're doing is I got the 450 John Deere Dozer plugged in. What I want to do is actually go around and remove snow from places that haven't been removed this year. It doesn't want to start. I've been messing around with it for a bit, so I got it plugged in here now. I use some starting fluid, but I don't like using too much with it. But hopefully we'll get this thing going and then we'll get things plowed out. One other thing I wanted to tell you guys, we're actually sending away the truck to get painted. We're painting up the old Western Star and we're doing it all black. But it's not 100% confirmed yet. So what I want you guys to do is comment down below and let me know what color you think would be really cool for it. I'm thinking completely blacked out, but with the chrome all restored, reshined. I think it would look really good. Kind of just imagine it all black with the chrome everywhere. I think that'll look good. Having fun? What are you doing? Hey. It's a great day. It's a great day off.
I don't want to kill the battery, man.
Eco-friendly starter fluid. Gonna sit? Is that where you're gonna sit? Okay, dude. Tracks are stuck to the ground. So I haven't ran this. This thing has been sitting for, man, probably a month and a half now. So we're just gonna start things off super slow. I love running this machine though. But we got to clear out a bunch of sections, so we'll do that. Basically, I'm going to try to reset it by turning off the main power switch, kill switch. You know what I mean. And it worked. Nice. Oh, thank God. That would have been a long day. Oh, now we're motoring. that sun, baby? That's a beautiful thing. It's nice out. There's Dad. We're just getting this all cleaned up. Wind rolling it up, time lapse set up. Let's get this cleared up. Woo! But we got the best part here now. Whew, I'm just running like crazy. Essentially what I got to do back here is, it's a big area that we actually store a lot of stuff back here that we need access to in the winter time, but we don't necessarily need the entire thing plowed out. So what I normally do is just come back here and I do a couple strips with the dozer, just enough for like a truck width to come back here, grab something that they need, and then turn around and leave. So that's what we're doing now. 4,459 hours on it. We got it repainted last year. It's a John Deere 450H, and I love this machine. I just think the only downfall with it is it's getting older, so things are getting more loose, and like kind of like there when I turned around real quick. Battery's incredible. All right, so the battery died on the main GoPro that I normally film with because it has a mic set up, but the battery's still good on this. These GoPro Hero 8 batteries are actually really good. I don't know if they changed them or if it's a software upgrade to make them more efficient, but awesome job, GoPro. But as you guys can tell, we got everything cleared out, and that was a kind of unexpected, awesome thing to get done. I've been kind of putting off clearing out the yard like properly and getting it done. So ultra happy that we got that done. I have a bunch more work that I actually have to go in the office and do now. So if you watched with us today, I want to thank you guys. Hopefully you are bringing in the new year and enjoying 2020. Now we're in the roaring 20s. Make sure, guys, please, that you're hitting that subscribe button. About 80% of you guys that watch the videos aren't subscribed, so please do that. Hit the thumbs up button and comment on the video. Let me know what you guys thought. Have you ran a dozer? Are you plowing snow? What are you guys doing? Appreciate it. We'll catch you on the next one. And no, I didn't forget about you guys, the true ones, the true pages of the channel. Yes, you that watch the entire videos to the very end, which is right now. And if you are one of those true patriots, I want you guys to comment down below, wing it. Why wing it? Well, we were winging that snow today with that dozer blade. It was beautiful, satisfying. I was loving it. So if you watch the entire video to the end, comment down below, wing it. I appreciate you guys. We'll catch you in the next one.